Why don't Viltrumites worry about their superpowered bloodlines being diluted when mating with other species? No one realizes that their genes hide three incredible secrets. Since the Scourge virus devastated the Viltrumite empire, leaving only 50 survivors of this once universal dominating race, they have had to abandon internal reproduction and seek interspecies mating in order to preserve their race. If the remaining 50 only reproduced with each other, the offspring would suffer from severe inbreeding, leading to genetic defects, weakening, or even failure to survive. But the question arises, doesn't mating with other species mean the Viltrumite bloodline will be diluted? Aren't they concerned that their superpowers might fade? In fact, as the most powerful race in the universe, the Viltrumite genes are overwhelmingly dominant. First, Viltrumite DNA has an overwhelming dominance, almost like a genetic virus. When they mate with humans or other compatible species, the Viltrumite genes almost entirely overpower the other species' genetic material. The hybrid offspring, in terms of both physiology and abilities, will show near-pure Viltrumite traits, super strength, flight, rapid healing, longevity, and more. The human genes in the mix are suppressed to the point of being barely noticeable. Mark is the perfect example of this. Secondly, while Viltrumite genes are domineering, they don't reject the positive traits of other species. Hybrids like Mark inherit not only the terrifying combat abilities of the Viltrumites, but also retain some human emotions and adaptability. In other words, the hybrid genes can continuously optimize the Viltrumite traits, making them stronger over time. Finally, what the Viltrumites need most right now is to mass-produce powerful warriors. Viltrumite females have an extremely long reproductive cycle, and mating with other species actually shortens the breeding process, allowing them to quickly produce a large number of hybrid offspring.